Julie, Julie, look at Mama. All right, I got a video going. Hey, baby, let me see your face. All right, we're going to get you down. Okay, see if she'll jump. See if she'll jump. Because there ain't nothing hurt on her except for her face. Okay. All right. Hey, girl. Let's walk her, see if she'll pee. Come on, baby, you got to go pee. Come on, Julie. Come on, let's go potty. See, she does real good on a leash, so. Alright. The only thing I got hurt on her was her face. Yeah, but I'd rather have her out now, go pee. Julie, come on, come on. Julie. No. Come on, let's go potty. Let's go potty. Come on, it's alright, you're alright. Oh no, you want to go in.